Hello my pet friends, a very warm welcome to Care and Hope channel and this episode. Also a warm welcome to our veterinarian Dr. Samar Halder in Care and Hope channel. Sir, as we all know that kidney, liver, heart, it's the main organ in our body parts, also as well as in dogs, pets, any animals. So nowadays, pet lovers are too much worried regarding this kidneys problem, suffering. Our pets are suffering a lot. I think you must be aware of this much than us. Sir, so please tell me what are the main symptoms of kidney failure that we can understand that our pets is suffering with kidney problem or kidney issue, something like that.
This is a very important and pertinent question at this time in Calcutta.
Right.
Because in Calcutta, now tick-borne protozoa diseases, particularly the Babesia, is almost like epidemic now. And these hemoprotozoa, what they are doing multi-organ failure, including mostly they are affecting the liver and kidneys. Yes. As we know, kidney is very sensitive, very sensitive in the sense what I am telling. Kidneys are made up of neurons, and these neurons, once affected or once necrosed or damaged, means it cannot be regenerated like other organs like liver and other. So that's why once nephron is died means died. So kidney is having, suppose 100% nephrons are there. If once some symptoms are coming regarding the kidney symptoms means different type of symptoms, that anemia will come, animal will be lethargic, there will be the less production of RBC, and as well as animal thirst will increase, and there may be the either more urine production or urine production may be very less. So kidney disease can be of two types, one AKD and another is CKD. AKD is the acute kidney disease and CKD is the chronic kidney disease. So AKD is manageable in the sense you have to identify what is the cause of AKD, and if you do the preliminary dialysis 1 or 2, or if you treat correctly, then AKD can be recovered very easily.
Right.
But for the chronic kidney disease, there will be no symptoms as such. In earlier stage, you will not
see hidden one.
No symptoms. No symptoms is this only symptoms in CKD. Regarding symptoms, I told you everything. That in AKD there will be no urine at all, and in CKD there will be no symptoms at all. No symptoms means everything will be normal, urine will be normal, feeding habit will be normal, everything will be normal. If you are until and unless very close to the animal, you cannot understand. But CKD or AKD, if it is due to the hemoprotozoan disease are nothing but the tick-borne disease, where tick bites and the hemoprotozoa disease happens in the body.
Whenever our pets are suffering with kidney issue, so is there any rise or fall in dog weight, loss or gain, something like that they suffer with regarding their weight and all?
In chronic kidney disease, definitely your dog or your pet will lose weight slowly, and if it is so slowly, it will be very difficult to understand whether this is due to chronic kidney disease. Main thing, if your vet or anybody comes in your house after a long time, he will find animal is losing muscle mass.
Thank you so much, sir. Now next thing is that, sir, as we suffer sometimes with kidney disease or kidney failure, so we take proper diet. So same thing is in pet also, they have to guide with diet or water, what quantity we should give food, what intervals should be there in their meal, what type of meal we should give to our babies when they are having these such problems of kidney.
This is a very important question. Kidney disease is a very deadly disease, as I told in my first answer. That once kidney disease is there, your protein intake should be minimum, or there should not be any animal protein intake. Animal protein intake should be stopped totally. Rather, you have to go for some commercial diet, that is kidney. Those diet will protect the kidney.
So
That is
these-
renal diet, renal prescription diet of different companies now are coming with those
Right.
renal diet. Vivaldi's, Royal Canine, Vet Life, so many companies, every companies are coming with this type of
Diet.
These are in the two forms it is available. One is kibbles form, another is can form. Can is semi-solid or paste type of things that you have to take as per the requirement. You have to mix with lukewarm water and give to your pet. So no animal protein, rather what you can give sometimes as protein is required for all
Right.
to maintain the muscle mass and to day-to-day activities. Now the thing is that as animals are mostly carnivorous, so they will thrive on protein only. Now as we are stopping the protein, animal protein, so it is very difficult to maintain the protein level. To maintain the protein level, you have to give some of the things like you can give the egg white, the liver of the goat, or like that. Those are noble proteins that you can give. Those supplement will help to maintain the muscle mass and other things.
So many people get chicken liver also. So is that
No,
harmful?
I do not recommend the chicken liver because as you know the chickens from the 0 day to 42 days when they are marketing, every day they are taking some of the medicines or vaccines.
Right.
So all those medicine and vaccines are being metabolized in the liver. So liver become very much
Harmful.
fragile and all those things. That's why I always do not recommend the liver to our beloved pets. The egg white and the liver of the goat you can supplement to maintain the protein level in the body.
So friends, stop giving chicken liver to your babies and just give fresh goat liver. That is good for their health and also if they are suffering with kidney failure. Sir, what about
Now, just
water?
I want to supplement little bit. Even
Sure.
you can give the fish, that ocean fish.
Right.
Ocean fish can be
okay.
added along with those what I told.
Sir, our viewers also wants to know water. How much water they should intake while they are suffering with kidney issue?
For per kg body weight of dog, pets, 50 to 60 ml of water is required per day, per kg body weight. In kidney disease patient, they will be having the more requirement sometimes. Fresh water, accessibility to the pet should be there as long as pet is taking that water.
Water.
The accessibility to the water should be there. Whenever the pet will think I should drink, pet should get it. Number one. And number two, sometimes as in chronic kidney disease, there will be lot of urine. Animal will pass lot of urine. So dehydration will be there. To maintain the hydration, you have to access the good amount of water to the pet, and that will provide some degree of hydration. You have to give more water in the food, so that hydration will be maintained. And to maintain the hydration, sometimes we should write or instruct the owner that subcutaneous fluid therapy may be required also to maintain the hydration. Maintaining proper hydration is very, very important.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, also we want to know, our viewers wants to know, during kidney issue or kidney failure, when they start this kidney damaging in our pet, to vomiting, do our pets vomit and restless they feel after taking food? They also, our viewers have asked us that after meal they vomit the meal like 20 minutes or 10 minutes after taking meal. So these are the symptoms of kidney failure or other reason can be there?
This is also very nice observation by you and viewers who has asked that question. I am thanking them regarding this vomition. This is one important symptoms. What are the complaint will come that my pet is every alternate day or twice in a week is vomiting.
Right.
Now we generally ask whether the deworming was proper or not. If deworming is proper, there is no questions of regular vomition. Another thing is that if kidney is affected, nausea inside the body, always pet will feel nausea, and sometimes from that nausea, vomisher will be there. Once in a day or alternate day, or once or twice or thrice in a week. If this type of history is there, always you go for the blood test.
It's very serious matter, friends. So please keep watching your babies, keep watching their activities, and always take help of your veterinarian. And also here, Dr. Samar Halder is always there to help you all. Dear friends, I think today you are getting very helpful information from our doctor. Now our viewers wants to know that if there is kidney issue in their pet, so temperature is there, rise or fall in our pets. Many also they want to know, is kidney damage depends on breed also, that any different symptoms we can find, like small breed or big breeds. Is there any changes? What type of?
Madam, all the breed kidney symptoms is such a symptoms in all the breeds, almost this side or that side symptoms will be almost same.
Okay.
And regarding the temperature, as I told you, tick-borne disease babesia is havoc nowadays. Almost epidemic in not only in Calcutta, throughout the India. So if tick-borne diseases are there, there will be rise of temperature. And that rise of temperature along with the lymphadenopathy means increased size of the lymph node, that is the first indicator of hemoptysis disease. As well as the anemia will be there. So lethargy will be there, animal will not take the food due to the temperature as well as that disease. So these are the common initial stage. If you can recognize these problems and go to your veterinarian, nearby veterinarian, then they will go for some of the blood test. Now PCR, RT-PCR, all those things, blood tests are available throughout the India, where they will tell which species of that hemoptysis infection is there, and the CT value. CT value is important to understand the level of infection. If level of infection is very low, that is one condition, and if it is very highly infected type of hemoptysis disease, then your treatment protocol will be more aggressive.
Sir, one of our friends, he wants to know that he is having Labrador and he is still suffering with kidney problem. So nowadays, what happened? He was under a doctor going on kidney treatment, everything was going good, but he finds that problem is coming in liver. So he's too much worried for his pet, and day by day his pet is getting down. So what is the reason that kidney, when pets suffer with kidney problems, so liver also get affected or infected with these two, with the kidney problem? Why? What is the reason that liver is damaged?
If, as I told you, the hemoptysis disease, they cause a multi-organ failure, including liver and kidney. That dog might have been the hemoptysis disease, which has done the kidney problem first, now is affecting the liver also. That's why liver and kidney both are affected.
Sir, we find mostly we see also in street dogs or our home pets that they are suffering with kidney problems. My also pet was suffering with kidney problem. Then after a few days later on, we have find that he was having joint problem. So what is the reason? Due to this kidney joints also get problem or medicines. What is the reason why there is joint pain in our pets when they suffer with kidney? So is this curable or not, or their joints are getting damaged totally?
Actually, ma'am, there is no direct relationship with the kidney disease and joint. But as in kidney disease, uric acid becomes more. That's why some of the problem may come in the joint, particularly the terminal part of the joints. Right. Small joints. Terminal part means small joints will be having the uric acid formation, that and there will be the pain. There is no direct such relation, but another thing we can correlate in that way. As the kidney disease, if it is due to the old age problem, then in old age osteoarthritis is more common. If the animal is overweight or some of the orthopedic diseases are there, so joint problems are there. So in that way, there is no direct relationship with the joint diseases and kidney.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, please guide me. Why anemia is very common in kidney problem in our pets?
Madam, this is a very common observation that if you do the blood test, you will see there is the history, there is the chances of anemia. That means hemoglobin will be less than 10, always in most of the cases. Why? Because the kidney is the only source of erythropoietin secretion. Erythropoietin comes from the kidney and that will go to the bone marrow and will stimulate the bone marrow, and bone marrow will produce the red blood cell. As the kidney is damaged, erythropoietin will not be able to produce, kidney will not be able to produce the erythropoietin, and that will not able to go to the bone marrow, and they cannot stimulate, and there will be the less RBC in the blood. Less RBC in the blood, we call it is a anemia. And if there is a too much low of the hemoglobin, that is less than 5 or so, then it is better, we always advise to go for the blood transfusion. It is again a big problem in Calcutta. There is no blood bank or plasma bank in there in India. In West Bengal. It is there in Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, it is there. But in Calcutta, we don't have the blood bank or plasma bank. So the activists who are there is working with these animals. They are having the good opportunity to go for the blood bank facilities, and that will be really helpful for the particularly the kidney diseases or in the acute accidental cases where there is huge blood loss. Blood is required immediately in that cases. So my sincere request through this channel to all of you that if possible establish a good blood bank and plasma bank. It is possible, as the other metro cities or small cities, they are providing this type of facilities, so you can take help of them and can establish one good blood bank or plasma bank. This is my sincere request to all of you, and we can save the life of the pets.
So there are many pet lovers that they can't provide. They love their baby like their own baby, like their soulmate, they love. But when they suffer, their babies suffer with these life-threatening disease, they can't provide such costly, expensive medicines for them. So they want to also know that can homemade food, is there any options? Then instead of buying such costly medicines and all, they can provide from home. They can make it by their own and can give to their babies. So it can be cured at home. Instead of medicine. So help me out, sir. Is there any way can be provided at home?
This is a common question asked by the owner of the pets who is suffering from the kidney disease. But my same answer is there always, that the packet food, packet renal prescription diet, the way they formulate and they make and market it, it is not at all possible to make it in the home. So if you can afford, better to go for this packet food as long as possible.
That is better.
Still you can add some of the things as I told, that egg white and the liver of the goat meat, that will helpful really. As well as if one correlation is there, if kidney diseases are there, means there is definitely some problem in the heart.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking your time and coming here with Care and Hope family. Friends, Dr. Samar Halder number is given in the description box. So if you are having any problem, please connect him through your comments, or number is given. So you may call him and he is always there to help you all out. So it's time to say bye-bye. Now person who all are watching our channel first time, please like our channel, subscribe our channel, press bell icon so you will get every new notifications in our episodes. So it's time to say bye bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you all, friends.